Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to clean the Honda Accord from inside. Need to clean the carpet. Show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I'm gonna clean the seats. I see the heat, a lot of heat here. So this carpet and this I'll clean. Have to vacuum as well. So yeah, I'll show you before and after. First I need to remove these, and front and the back both. As you see that, and the bottom. I'm gonna clean as much as I can before I take it to the inspection. I think that's the last thing, and then I have to clean the headlights. That's two of these things I have to do before I take this car to the BMW. So this is how it is from rear. You can see pretty dirty. Leathers is in very good condition. So yeah, now I'm gonna vacuum this car first before I put water in it and spray it. Alright guys, so car is clean now. Here is the result before and after. As you can see, I have to remove this. Everything is clean. This one still a little bit darker, maybe it's because of wet. So let's see when it's good dry, but I think it's pretty good, way better than before. So as you can see here, nice and clean. And now the car is ready to go tomorrow for inspection, and then we'll see if it's gonna pass the inspection or not. Alright, here is the result. Yep. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll guys probably see you in the next one. One last step I have to do, which is to clean the headlights, which I'm going to do right now because it's not that dirty, so should not take that long. Alright guys, so here it is. Overall car is done. Tomorrow I'll take this car for the inspection and we'll see how it goes. I still have a little bit work on the tires, they're dirty, the rims, but I'm done for now. As you can see, the headlights, I just finished off the headlights. So the glass thing, the clear coating, it's already finished. I was using this, it's been like 2.5 years I think it's with me. I use multiple on multiple cars, but now it's done, it's finished. But I still have the polish though that's come with it, still have a lot of it, but yeah, I just did the single coat, so that's why a little bit less glossy. If I had more, so that would have been much more clear. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video.